From the heart of a cosmic fire, she rises. When the worlds were drained of life and even the great gods, Trimurtis, stood powerless, a prayer pierced the void. And then, from the blazing Chidāgni, appeared a wonder beyond imagination. The Śrī CHAKRA, radiant as a million suns, serene as a million moons, carrying the Supreme Mother herself, Śrī Lalitā Mahā Tripurasundarī, witnessed the moment when creation is reborn, armies of light take form, and destiny prepares for a battle that will shake the three worlds. It is truly the blessing of Ma Lalitā that you have arrived at this divine moment. This is part 7 of the Lalithopākhyāna, the sacred story behind the Lalitā Sahasranāma, long revered for awakening the Mother's grace and granting noble desires and boundless blessings to all who listen to this tale with devotion. Previously in our sacred journey, guided by Maharishi Hayagriva, sage Agastya learned of Bhandasura's power, draining life from the worlds. The Devas turned to Lord Vishnu, who led them beyond creation to Mahashambhu. There they discovered that only a great cosmic sacrifice could end the darkness, and so all the powers of the three worlds were offered into the blazing Chidāgni as Mahashambhu prayed for the Supreme Mother to manifest. You can find the earlier parts linked in the description. And now the prayer is answered. From the heart of the blazing Chidāgni, where Mahashambhu's prayer touched the highest realms, a wonder unfolded. There appeared a radiant chariot, flooding the universe with a brilliance like a million suns, Udyat Bhanu Sahasrabha, yet cool and gentle as a million moons. This was the Śrī CHAKRA, vast as Meru, 4 yojanas across and 10 yojanas high. 9 shining tires rose one above the other, crowned with the flag of supreme bliss, the Ananda. It embodied the power of the Vedas, able to grant dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. On its highest tire sat Śrī Lalitā Parameshwari herself, and how? Sarvaruna Navadhyangi Sarvabharana Bhushita, flawless, crimson, adorned with every celestial jewel, eternally 16, Nitya Shodashikha Rupa, and as a treasure house of beauty, that is Maha Lavanya Shevadihi. We have included references from the Lalitā Sahasranāma, helping you to recall the story each time you chant and forge a more intimate bond with the Divine Mother. And now the story continues. Wishing to restore the three worlds, the Divine Mother brought forth from her own being a Lord of unsurpassed charm, Kameshwara, radiant beyond 1,000 Kamadevas. She made him her consort, Sri Maha Kameshwara. By her sheer will, she created her 4 divine weapons, the Ikshudhanush, the Panchapushpabhanas, the Pasha, and the Ankusha. Crimson as the dawn, youthful and resplendent, the Supreme Mother sat upon Kameshwara's left lap, the all-powerful Maha Kameshwari, ready to awaken creation once more. The Mahashambhunatha, the great Hota of the cosmic sacrifice, bowed with uplifted hands and worshipped the divine couple Sri Maha Kameshwari and Kameshwara. Desiring first to restore the Trinity of Devas, the Supreme Mother gazed with Parananda into the eyes of her Lord. From her left eye, cool and gentle as moon, emerged Lakshmi and Brahma. From her right eye, bright as the sun, came Parvati and Vishnu, and from her third eye, blazing like sacred fire, arose Vagdevi, that is Saraswati, and Rudra. Thus the divine pairs were formed, Lakshmi and Vishnu, Shiva and Parvati, and Brahma and Saraswati, the very essence of twin Shaktis we spoke of in one of our earlier episodes. Looking upon them with kindness, Śrī Lalitā Parameshwari entrusted each couple with their sacred duties, that is creation, protection, and dissolution. Then she turned to regenerate the worlds themselves, filling them with new beauty and resurgent joy. From every part of her infinite being, creation poured forth. From her long hair came night and darkness. From her eyes rose the sun, moon, and fire. From her pendant on her forehead sparkled the stars. From the chain above the forehead came the 9 planets. From her eyebrows arose law and justice. From her breath originated the Vedas. From her speech, the poetry and drama. From her chin came the Vedangas. From the 3 lines on her neck came the sacred Shastras. And from her breast originated the mountains. Her mind flowed as a power of bliss. From her fingernails appeared the 10 incarnations of Vishnu, Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi, and from her palms came the Sandhyas. From her weapons too, creation blossomed. From the Ankusha came out the Sampatkari Devi. From the Pasha, the Ashwaruda Devi. From her cheeks came Nakuleshwari Devi. From her Kundalini Shakti, the radiant Gayatri Devi. The 8 wheels of the CHAKRA birthed 8 guardian Devatas, and upon the 9th landing at the Bindupita, she herself was enthroned as the supreme power. Around her, she then appointed divine protectors of the CHAKRA, an entire celestial retinue, each of its own secret glory. After completing the great creation, Śrī Lalitā Devi asked her consort Shiva Kameshwara to form the Shiva Chakra. At once, he released a deep resonant hum, and from that sound arose 23 Shiva Chakra Devatas. Many of these creations hold deep symbolism and rich stories. To explore them beyond what we can cover in this video, we will soon launch a dedicated blog website, a space where every seeker can read these sacred tales in greater depth and discover their hidden meanings. Watch this channel for updates as we bring that resources to life. Now back to the story. From the buddhi of the Divine Mother arose Shyamala Devi, radiant with wisdom, and from her ahankara emerged the fierce Mahavartali or Varahi Devi, the indomitable commander-in-chief of the celestial armies. From a tender smile cast toward Lord Kāmeśvara was born Vigneshwara, accompanied by Siddhalakshmi. Then Śrī Lalitā Parameshwari bestowed the emblems of power. She crowned Shyamala Devi as Mantrini, her chief minister, placing upon her finger the ring of royal authority. She anointed Varahi Devi as Dandanatha, the commander-in-chief of her invincible army Shakti Sena, and from the curve of her eyebrows, she created a blazing mace, gifting it into Dandanatha's hands. From the vast Śrī Chakra Ratha, Lalitā Devi formed 2 new divine chariots, the Geya Chakra Ratha for Mantrini Devi that sang heavenly melodies as it moved, and the Giri Chakra Ratha for Dandanatha Devi, forged for conquest and protection. Then the Divine Mother uttered a single hum of wrath, a sound that shook the heavens. From that home arose 64 million yoginis, 64 million Bhairavas, and endless Shakti Senas, ready to march at her command. Far away in Sunyapatina, sinister omens darkened the sky. The brothers of Bhandasura trembled as thunder rolled across their city and ran to their lord with tails of bread. And there, upon his dark throne, Bhandasura rose, a cruel smile curling on his lips. The air thickened, the heavens waited. Will the sight of Lalita's blazing glory shatter Bhandasura's pride, or will his arrogance drag him to his own destruction? We will uncover this in our next sacred chapter of the Lalithopākhyāna series. Stay tuned, and if you're inspired by this majestic journey of Devi Lalita, show your support by liking this video and comment below your favorite name from today's Lalitā Sahasranāma references. And don't forget to share the story with friends and family so that the glory of Divine Mother may spread far and wide. Thank you for watching.